Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss some important question in chapter poverty. The first question, what kind of people in India are considered poor? The answer is that they could be a landless labor in village or people living in overcrowded juggi in city. They could be a daily wages earned at construction site or child worker in dhabas. They could also be a beggar with child in the tatters. Second question, what is poverty? Poverty is a situation in which person is unable to get minimum basic necessity of life, that is food, clothing, shelter for his her substance. Next question number 5, what are the factors of human poverty? The answer for this question, there are many factors of human poverty like not having a job security, discrimination due to the caste, having inadequate access to education, shelter or food, etc. Now question number 6, why is the concept of poverty being broadened into the human poverty? The concept of poverty is being broadened into the human poverty as the challenges is becoming bigger and the analysis of poverty is becoming rich through the variety of new concepts like social exclusion. Question number 7, mention any one common indicator of poverty. Social exclusion is a common indicator of the poverty today. Next question, how is the analysis of poverty become rich in recent year? The analysis of poverty is being enriched through the variety of new concepts like social exclusion and vulnerability. Question number 9, what is poverty line? Poverty line is an indicator of poverty, that it is a level of income which barely meet the substance of life. Next question, when person is considered a poor? A person is considered poor if his her income or consumption level fall below the given minimum level necessary to fulfill the basic necessity. Question number 12, which method are used to estimate the poverty line in India? The answer for this question, daily income and consumption method are used to estimate poverty in India. Question number 13, how poverty line estimated periodically? State organization which is responsible for the estimating the poverty. The answer for this question, the poverty line is estimated periodically by conducting the sample survey, and these survey are carried out by the National Sample Survey NSSO. Question number 14, why calorie requirement higher in rural areas? On account of people in rural area engaging themselves in the stress physical work, and calorie requirement in rural area higher than the in urban areas. Now question number 15, give the definition of poverty line as defined by the World Bank. The answer for this question is, World Bank defined poverty line is terms of minimum availability of equivalent $1.9 per person per day. Question number 16, which social group are vulnerable to poverty? The answer for this question, two social groups are most vulnerable to poverty are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe household. Now question number 30, poverty curse upon humanity is explained. Answer is that indeed poverty cuts upon humanity because the poor cannot afford barely full meal a day. The poor do not have the proper roof on the head to protect themselves from the cold, rain and heat, and basic essentials like clothing, oil, soap, etc. missing in the daily of routine of the poor. They cannot afford a minimum subsistence level of life level, and in the absence of the saving on account of very low income, the poor fall easy prey to indebtedness. Next question, every fourth person in India is poor. Give your statement. The above statement throw light upon the fact that India there is a poverty all around us. This indicates that roughly 270 million people in India living in poverty. This also substantive fact that the India has the largest single construction of poor in the world. India faces the biggest challenge on the poverty in front with the landless labor in village and overcrowded jhuggi in the city, daily wages worker, child worker in dhabas and beggar around us.